Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper camera on a 2017 Honda Accord two-door coupe. First thing you want to do is remove the license plate, and next you're going to I use my right hand and I'm going to use my middle finger and I'm pressing it up behind here against the clip that's holding this in. So I'm basically going up in there and twisting my hand like this, and then with this hand I'm kind of pushing down at an angle on it. And that releases the clip on this side, and then you're going to want to tilt it down towards the clip side and just feed the wires out, and then there's the plug. Just push the tab and pull out and it's out. And then to reinstall, plug it in, feed the wires up through first, and then just clip it back in and it's installed. Thanks for watching, guys.